Hi children, how are you? This is your social teacher of 5th class. Children, I hope that all are you safe at home. Children, once see this book. This is your 5th class social studies book. Children, books are available in our school. Children, must and should be, you have to purchase the book from our school Versatile High School. If you not have books, you can't understand that what are the teachers are explaining in this class. Why? Because if you have book, then what the teachers are explaining, you will see in your textbook, and then you have to easily understand. Children, in the previous class we are learning about that earth. What is that earth? What is the earth? So on the earth we are observing that what is earth and continents, ocean. In previous class already we are learning. Today we are discussing about that what is that our lesson name? The earth. Shape of the earth, the globe, maps, types of maps, language of maps. Now we are going to the shape of the earth. You know the shape of the earth? Shape of the in olden days, some scientists are saying the earth is only flat. Now we are observing that you are on the earth or not, then you have to say that teacher, earth is flat, but earth is not a flat. It is in a sphere. It is in a sphere shape. That means round. Earth has in a spherical shape. So many scientists are saying about that, discovered that earth is in a sphere shape. We are on that earth only. We are on that earth. So, shape of the earth, in ancient days, the scientists say that earth is in a flat. But here the earth is in a, they discovered that earth is in a, which shape? Spherical shape. So, in a spherical shape, only we are saying, once look at ball, we are only seeing that front of that place. We can't see that in front of that place. So, earth is a, what are we shape that? What is the shape of the earth? Earth is in a spherical shape. Now, we are going to that globe. What is that? Now we are going to that globe. You know the globe? Globe is a small model of the earth. A globe is a small model of the earth. We can see continents. Already we are learning about the continents. What are the continents? How many continents? The land masses part is called a continents. There are 7 continents in our country. So, the globe is a small model of the earth. If you see the globe, then you have to say that it is a earth. It is a earth. So, on a globe, we are seeing only continents, oceans, water bodies are mentioned in different colors. So, here the 2 poles are there. Here the 2 poles are there. In the up part, that is North Pole. What is that? Up North Pole, and there is the bottom is South Pole. North Pole and South Pole. So, here globe has some limitations. We can see only where is the continents, where is the oceans, only one point. If you turning that one, then we can see that total continents. And oceans also. How many oceans? Major ocean? 5 major oceans. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. So, here that a globe is some limitations. Globe is some limitations. A large globe is difficult to carry part. We can't see that where is that mountains and hills, plateaus, plains, water bodies. We can see on that globe. So then we have to say that the earth is a small model of the globe is a small model of the earth. Now we are going to that maps. You know what is the difference of map and globe? If you see the globe, total continents you can see on that globe. But maps only, we can see only where is the mountains, where is the plains and hills, plateaus and deserts. So here a map is representation of the earth surface only. Earth surface, flat surface only we can see on that maps. So where the maps are useful to us? You know that aeroplane drivers are called pilots. So pilots, tourists, drivers and sailors, mountaineers, they are using that maps. That means you see, look on the table, there is no lines, but they have some special lines are there. That is called a map. A map is representation that surface of the earth. So here maps are useful to that pilots, drivers, sailors, mountaineers. Understood? So here they see that maps are not free from that limitations. So what is the shape of the earth here? Spherical shape. So surface is curved part. See that surface is only curved part or not? If you look that ball, look like a ball. Ball is only curved part. And so here not possible to the accurate of that maps. But we are going to the types of maps. Types of maps. According to that maps are two types. One is political maps and physical maps. Political maps and that physical maps. Maps are how many types? Two types. There are two types of maps. One is political maps, another is physical maps. What is political maps? The boundaries of that between countries, cities, their capitals showing on that map, that is called a political map. The boundaries of the countries, the location of the national, state, capitals on that map, that is called a political maps. That means in political maps, what are observing? States, capitals and countries. We are observing only on political maps states, capitals and countries. Only observing on that political maps. Physical maps. In physical maps, the boundaries of the earth between the countries, mountains. You know mountains? Mountains. Hills. Plains. Plateaus. Deserts. The land covered with sand. The land part total is covered with sand, that is called a desert. Plains, hills, mountains, etc. are on the physical maps. So here physical maps means mountain, plateaus, plains, rivers also. Rivers, water bodies, and plains, rivers, deserts, total etc. Showing on that physical maps. Now we are going to that language. You know that if you physical map, you are observing that where is the forests, where is the crops, minerals. You can easily observing that on that physical map. In political maps, you are observing only where is our states, countries, capitals only we are observing them. Now we are going to that language of maps. You know the language of maps? Language of maps only they are showing that colors, signs, symbols. So, what is the language of map? So, here language of map means colors. So, here water bodies. Where is the water? You observe that map. So, then we can understand that language of maps. Color, showing with colors. Blue color, dark color, green color. And signs. And that means some symbols. Some symbols are there. And sign means suppose mountains. How can you keep that mountain? This is that mountain. Symbols also. So here observing only this is the language of that maps. Colors, signs and symbols. This is the language of that maps. Then we can see that easily understood. If there is blue color is there, then we can understood that these are water bodies on that map. And signs, suppose that means railway track. This is the railway track. And symbols, some symbols are there, color dots are there. That is mean we have to say that these are the roads. If the straight line is giving us airways. So, language of maps, what is that? If that map is showing with colors, signs, symbols, then we have to say that this is the language of maps. Then we can see understood easily where is that mountains, where is that forests, where is that crops, where is the minerals. We can easily understood them. This is that language of maps. Children, are you understood that what is the shape of the earth? What is that globe? Map, types of maps, language of maps. Tomorrow we are discussing about that scale.